I'm just Tutors. In today's video we are going to learn about reaching the age of adolescence. This video is in the continuation of our previous video where we have discussed about adolescence, puberty and the changes that happens at puberty. Now let us have a look at the subtopics for today. In this session we are going to learn about secondary sexual characters, role of hormone in initiating reproductive function and the reproductive phase of life in humans. Let us move forward with some pre-assessment questions. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when we are done with them you can resume it to check your answer. Well, pat your back for your great efforts. Now let us move ahead and have a look at what do we understand about secondary sexual characters. In humans, visible characteristics happens that differ from male to female body. In boys, growth of Adam's apple, deepening of voice, facial hair and chest hair happens, whereas in girls, feminine voice, development of breast, underarm hairs, acne, and hair above thighs and pubic areas happens. This all happens from a wide range of age from puberty to adulthood. Adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and psychological development that generally happens during the period from puberty to legal adulthood. As you can see in this picture, it ranges from age 9 to age 19. They are controlled by hormones. Hormones control the changes in human body which occurs at adolescence. They are the chemical substances that are secreted from endocrine glands. In males, testosterone starts to form by testicles in a boy starting at the age of puberty. Whereas in female hormones develop the breast that also begins starting from the age of puberty. Now when we talk ahead, the production of these hormones are in control of another hormone which is secreted from pituitary gland. Pituitary gland secretes growth hormones that promotes and initiates the growth of human body at the time of adolescence. Hormones are released by endocrine glands in bloodstream to reach target sites. In female, reproductive phase of life begins at the age of puberty and ends around the age of 45 to 50. Now talking about it ahead, the most important secondary sexual character in female can be marked as menstruation. The shredding of the uterine thickening along with its blood vessels at the end of menstrual cycle is known as menstruation. One ovum is released by either of the ovaries during one menstrual cycle, in which eggs are released from female body through blood from vagina. The cycle is a regular natural change that occurs in female reproductive system which is responsible to make pregnancy possible. In the absence of fertilization, ovum and the thickened uterine walls are disrupted and are shredded off. That continues for 3 to 8 days. Menstrual cycle involves maturation of ovum, release of ovum, thickening of uterine wall, and menstruation. The first menstruation is known as menarche, whereas when it gets stopped at the age of 45 to 50, it is known as menopause. Now talking about it ahead, what are the roles of hormones in initiating reproductive function? Gonads are sex glands. A pair of testes forms the gonads in males. Testes are located in the structure called as scrotum sac, which distends below from abdominal region that maintains low temperature. Low temperature favors the formation of sperms in testes. Testes also secrete the hormone known as testosterone. Now what is the function of that hormone? It initiates and controls the changes in male occurring during puberty. These changes are called as secondary sexual characters, which include deeper voice, development of males, facial and body hair. It also controls the growth and maturation of sperms in males. It also initiates the reproductive function in males. Talking about now the gonads in females, they are the pair of ovaries form the gonads in females. Ovaries are the female sex organs that lie one on either side of the abdominal cavity. Ovaries produce two hormones, namely estrogen and progesterone. Talking about estrogen, that is a female sex hormone produced by the ovaries and the adrenal glands and are in very small quantities regulated by body fat, whereas progesterone is a female sex hormone produced in large amounts during and after ovulation that prepares the uterus for the implantation of a fertilized egg. Now what are the function of the female sex hormones? Estrogen controls the changes that occurs during puberty, whereas progesterone controls the uterine changes during menstrual cycle and helps in the maintenance of pregnancy. Now, what is the reproductive phase of life in humans? In males, it extends from puberty to 70 years of age, whereas in females, it extends from puberty till age of 45 or 50. Let's just move forward with some practice questions now. You can please pause the video and try these questions, and once when you're done with them, you can resume it to check your answer. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and for more you can please log into justtutors.com.